close view of the giant forest hog. Very big hogs found in the Aberdares as well as in Mount Kenya. A father and a mother and a baby. Yes, they are much bigger than warthogs. And they are forest hogs. They are called giant forest hogs. They live in Sauda, composed of a dominant boar and mothers with their babies. And they feed on grass, roots and tubers. They are nocturnal animals, appearing at night. But at this time, because of the foggy condition, to them it's like it is night. And that is why they have appeared at this time of the day. On top of them are oxpeckers, birds, removing ticks from them and eating them. Yes, it's a unique pigs, unique hogs. That's a baby playing with oxpeckers, birds. They are busy feeding, very rare and common. In Kenya, they are only found in the Aberdares as well as in Mount Kenya, in thick forest cover, under thick forest cover and bushes. They give birth to either 1 or 6 piglets and lactate them for 3 months. If they are boys, they are chased away at the age of 6 months. If they are girls, they remain in the group. Yes. They have big warts on their body, but as opposed to the warthogs, which are smaller, these do not have 2 warts on either side of the face. They have one, which is like a disc, kind of, a half disc, kind of. Yes. And they have 4 teeth. It's a baby going to the father, following the father there.